Hey, it's Bill, your Let's Slow This Down IT co-pilot, and I've got 25 years of experience working with leaders and guiding them in the IT space. So I wanted to talk about the theory that you hear all the time, garbage in, garbage out. And I want to talk to you about why that's incredibly important. So I want to give you an example. I'm going to coin this, so you're gonna have to tell people that I told you this. But if you go to Nordstrom, for example, and you ask them, hey, you ask the salesperson, do you like this jacket? And they say, yes, I do. It's actually one of our most popular jackets. That can be very misleading because it doesn't mean that it looks good on me. It just means that it's a very popular jacket, and I'm headed the right direction. So your LLM, your ChatGPTs, and your Geminis, they're the same thing. So if you say, for example, like, hey, I honestly think grass is not green, I think it's blue. And you could get a prompt, or you could get an answer, something like, you know what, you're not far-fetched. There are some greens that give a hint of blue, and it will mislead you. And they're designed to give you the answer that you want. So you can imagine how many people are using AI in the raw, and they're just asking general questions, getting general answers, and they're making decisions on it. Very dangerous. You can go and train your LLM. You can go into the settings and you can go and tell it, like I would tell the salesperson, listen to me. I've got thick skin, so I need to be brutally honest, and I need you to tell me if this is flattering for me. I need to look casual yet business-like in this event that I'm going to. This event has got this type of people. I will be giving elevator pitches. I will be doing this. I will be doing that. And most importantly, I want it to match, a pair of jeans that I'm going to be wearing and things like that. So now that I've given that salesperson that much more information, you can imagine my results are going to be, well, try this on, and then I'll try it on, and they'll say it's not very fitting, and then I'll try something else on, and be like, that's what you're looking for. That's the difference. And so many people are using AI, and they're getting these generic answers, and they're making moves, business moves on it. They're dropping, quotes. They're dropping, data, and they're just saying, "Hey, tell me this." It's going to try to tell me what it thinks that you want to hear. So you really need to go into your preferences and tell it like, "Hey, I've got thick skin. Hey, I want you to talk like this. I want you to question everything that I write. I don't want you to try to cater to me. I want you to lead me down the right road, etc." So one important lesson there is that's the concept that you always hear about, garbage in, garbage out. And then the second point is, as a leader, as a business leader, you are responsible for the data that goes out. So if your users are using it on their own, on a shadow perspective, which I talked about in another video, meaning that it's not a tool you've sanctioned. They're using their own because we haven't been quick enough to give them a tool, and you haven't given them training on how to use AI properly. Then your company is going to have a lot of people using AI like they would use Google, getting very misleading answers, and can really hurt your business. And so it's really important to get some training out there. It's really important to establish guidelines, policies, etc. And so I just wanted to, it just a thought to my head. I'm pointing the example there so you can quote me. But I just wanted to really say that these things are important. These are things that I do at the company that I work for. We do policies, we do training and things like that. So it's very important that that gets out there before something else gets out there. Anyway, like and share and pass this along to somebody you think will benefit.